Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the beginning of day 9. Well, I'm shooting this video at around 9:10 a.m. but I woke up at 4:45. Due to some reasons, I was not able to shoot this video in the morning. So today will be a bit different from previous days because earlier I used to choose, all types of chapter, that is some big chapters, some medium chapters and some small. So today almost all of my chapters that I will be doing are pretty, in the category of medium to large. So in mathematics, I will be doing LCD, limit continuity and differentiability, and application of derivative. I chose these chapters because they don't have much theory, but they do have lots of questions, and they are a little bit similar. So yeah, that's why I chose them in maths. In physics, I am trying to do magnetism. By magnetism, I don't mean those hysteresis loop and all that. I am talking about magnetism and force. Okay, so basically its effect. So that is what I will be doing in physics, and that's the only chapter that I will be doing in physics. In chemistry, I will be doing. I'm not sure which chapter I will be doing, but there are two options with me. In organic chemistry, I either in organic chemistry or physical chemistry. So if I choose organic chemistry, I will be doing carbonyl compound and its application. And if I choose physical chemistry, I will be doing two chapters, that is real gases and p block. And in p block, I will be doing only one group. So yeah, that is my plan of today. So if you would like to know the time distributions, LCD and AOD doesn't have much theory, so I will give both of them 30 minute each. So yeah, and around 2 to 2.5 hour question practice of both these chapters. So yeah, in the morning I have read the theory of magnetism and some basic formulas of LCD. So yeah, I have to practice questions. So I am not so yeah, I think I will be able to complete it till evening. So I'll let you know. And yeah, best of luck to everyone who's appearing in September mains. I know I have said this twice, but yeah. And please don't read fake news. Please don't. I am saying this because I did found out some news that were being, distributed, but those were false. So yeah, that's it. I will be linking two videos in this season, in this video. Uh, One of them is my time lapse, and the other one will be changing from my last night video and the upcoming evening video. So yeah, stay tuned for that.